Here we are at Bandimere, the KBPI Rock and Roll Car Show. It's a Sunday the 13th of August. Checking out a cool car here. Got my buddy Racer Randy. Woohoo! Well, this was the first car that caught my eye. Pretty cool. So if you got a truck with mud all over, that's a vehicle. It says it's a 33 Ford. I couldn't have guessed. Very nice though. Gotta love that. Quick change rear end. Inboard mounted disc brakes. Reduces the unsprung weight. Don't have the discs at the wheel, so it's very cool. All right, more to come. Nice old flathead Ford. Somebody's new C8. Top off. Toplessness is always good. One of my personal favorites. 69 Camaro SS. Might be an RSSS. Beautiful blue, big block. Nice. It is an RSSS. Hideaway headlights. Also notate, of course, when the grudge runs begin, $3. Look at that, $3.96 fits in there, nice. By the tech inspection team in staging, so $3. Even got the stock exhaust manifolds on it. And again, we bring you to the lane as it was from the factory. About 45 nice. Minutes, 45 minutes to an hour. Got the hockey stick stripes on it. It's like American daisy wheels. The deluxe interior, nice. Got the console with the gauges. I don't know how well you can see that. Very cool. Parked next to it is a Dart Swinger. What do you think, Randy? Which one's for you?
You haven't found it yet. I'll sell it. Look at them all first. I'll sell. Exactly.
Yeah? A buddy of ours just last night, I found out he sold it. He had a Mustang Fastback and gone. I'm like, really?
Everything's for sale.
This is yours?
Yeah.
This is 70? 72. Nice. Okay, if I pop my head in?
Go right ahead.
Thank you.
I'll start it for you.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Got nice interior.
Pretty nasty.
Go for the cold start. Everyone says cold start. Pretty much a start is a start, if you ask me. All right, Randy, cover your ears. Oh yeah. 340? 340 or 440? 340, yeah. Very nice. I like those seats.
I hate those seats.
Oh, really?
I hate those seats.
They hold you in place pretty good.
I got the stock buckets that I'm going to put back in there and get
Right.
Same material and everything.
Dart Swinger.
Yeah, they're not coming.
They used to be all over the place.
You
Now they're hard to find. Nice shape 340. Cool, cool. Thanks. Ah, 72 Chevelle says right there. 402. 396, 402. For a year or two there, Chevy didn't even tell you exactly which one you got. Got the horseshoe shifter. Pretty clean. All right. C2 Corvette. What do you think, Randy? Would it do good on the track?
Probably.
Looks like it's got a big block hood, maybe. Hard saying, not knowing. What does it say? By the way, this is the last year of Bandimere, or at least at this location. Got the heat tape on the side pipes. I think those are the wine glass. There we go, the wine glass wheels, vintage wheels. Looks like the ultimate track setup.
Not this kind of track, though.
Yeah. Tell me a little bit about it.
Grand Sport replica.
Okay. Who makes it?
Well, this one, the company's out of business, but you know what the Grand Sports were back in this year?
No, not really. Not
So
C2,
they
right?
only made 5 of them in 1963, and they were made to compete against the Cobras and the Daytonas. But GM didn't want to be involved in racing, so they told them to crush them. They actually gave them away to like Penske and a couple other privateers. But again, there was only 5 of them. So they're a lightweight car with a tube chassis. Otherwise, they use mostly stock Corvette parts, although they built a special engine, a 377 all aluminum small block to go in them. And they were built to race Le Mans and to compete against the Cobras.
And does this have a small block or a big block?
This just has a GM crate motor small block. It is a tube chassis. This one has all C4 Corvette suspension and brakes with coilovers every corner. I autocross it. I'll take it to open track days.
High plains?
High plains, been to high plains.
Oh, yeah.
PPIR and Pueblo. And just play around with it. But we bought it to use it and drive it. It's got air conditioning and
Woo!
yeah, so you can.
Little everything.
I need more horsepower to be out here. But,
You just mean for the drags?
yeah, for the tracks, even the track. I mean, it's nowadays Honda Civics are coming with 300 horsepower. You know what I mean? So it's time to step up. I don't know if I'm going to put an LS in it or stay old school and just build the motor some more.
Right. Well, very nice. Okay, if I pop my head in?
Sure.
So still looking like a C2. Got the stick. That radio, vertical radio, like they did back in the day. Guessing that's the gas. Cooling for the brakes. Let's see. It's got a, looks like a GM crate motor, aluminum. Very nice. There's that 67 Camaro red ship. Pretty awesome turnout. We'll see.
Come by, sorry.
All right. Hate it when that happens. Cool. Very nice. Right next to blowing into it. 65 Impala SS here. Classic. Got to back up a little bit. That's a big car. Pretty cool though. Racer Randy says no go. Not for Randy. You get 4-speed even. Console. Clock in the console. I remember when all the Speedos were horizontal. Big old back seat. Front buckets. And the traditional small block Chevy. Power brakes, power steering, air conditioning. It's a cruiser. Awesome paint. Check out the 67 Chevelle. Very nice, big block. Got the, I can't think of the brothers that do those hood hinges. Those are pretty awesome. Millet. Lots of chrome. High flow aluminum heads from Edelbrock. Edelbrock intake. Let's see if that's a Sniper. I think it is a. Well, I'm not sure what it is. It's a form of fuel injection. Bucket seats. No console. B&M shifter. Probably a turbo 400. Being that it's got a big block. Some interesting wheels. Disc brakes too, nice. Love that body line, I love that fastback look. I like the 66 and 67. The same sheet metal, but except for the front end and the back end. I like these lights better because they're visible from both sides. 66 had a light that kind of went like that. So I like the 67 better. Could be that I own one, but very clean. Yep, just love that look at the back end. Classic lines. SS hood. Check out the interior real quick. Just carefully poke my head in. Didn't see the owner to tell him. So the SS car had 2 gauges there, and it had 2 gauges where the clock was, and then it had a little tack that hung down right there. A little round tack, maybe 1.5 inches in diameter. Mine got stolen because I left the wing window open. Big mistake. Never got to know. Cars are still showing up. There's a Sirius Nova. didn't know what it was. 1960 Ford Starliner.
It's this one. I'm like, yeah, the line's got 3 doors. Why does that matter?
Don't see one of these very often either. Oh, wow. That's cool.
1960 Ford Starliner.
Ford Starliner. Cool, cool. Oh, look at those tires. Oh, look at.
Listen to that Tesla. Listen to that. Right here.
I didn't hear nothing. There's the on-off switch, master kill switch. Looks like it's pretty serious race setup.
Please don't sneeze in my vicinity. Yeah. Why? What happened? Something bad. You can't even tell me what? No. Just something bad.
What engine is it?
It's 352 block with a 428 crank, so it's about 410 cubic inches. There you go.
Cool.
FE motor.
Okay, the FE.
Yeah.
Gotcha. That was the beginnings of the FE.
Yeah.
Yeah, very cool. How's it run?
Good. Good. It's fast for what it is. It's a big car, you know what I mean? It's so compared to modern stuff, I mean, for its time, it's fast. You know what I mean? It runs good. Really
Right.
good.
No power brakes.
No power brakes, no power steering.
No power steering. Yep. It's a serious car. Very nice.
Yeah, to get your car in on a good spot.
All right, this is appropriately
Yeah, no,
named
not this car. This is
Blown
This
Income.
is the first time with this.
Very cool.
I wanted to bring it out, man. It's expensive.
Very cool. Look at the chrome. Lots of money there in chrome. That's how I knew. All right. Check that out. Very nice. Oh, you gotta love that red. Them old slicks. That's old school there. One more time on the blown income. Looks like tons of fun.
Yeah, I got about 12.
Oh, I gotta get the signs here.
Okay, brother, see you in a while. Yes. Okay, Rob, you're all day. Right on, Dave. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it.
Pretty cool.
You want some music on?
31 Ford Model A.